My name is Dirk Laubscher. I've been a physiotherapist for over 11 years. I'm the owner of a health clinic in Harley Street in London called Rejuve Limited. And today I'm going to give you guys some tips and advice about neck pain and associated conditions. How to relieve stiff neck pain. Now, stiffness in the neck is quite common. The older we get, the more stiffer we get. So stiffness in the neck is a lot more common with older people, and that's because the actual discs within their neck starts degenerating, losing a bit of shock absorption, which will cause these muscles, which is facet joints, to get pinched closer together. And if that happens, it will lead into a reduction of movement. Okay, especially turning your head left and right. Okay. Younger people, it can happen as well. You might sleep funny one night, and again, what happens, these joints get locked, they get compressed, they get inflamed, and that causes pain in itself. The muscles surrounding this area goes into a spasm, which is also painful, and you will end up with a stiff neck. There is a condition called torticollis or wry neck, which is very common, and especially with people when they have slept funny, on a couch or even in their own bed, but just with, in a bad position, is where the facet joints get locked and they're unable to move their heads. Now, the treatment for a stiff neck is, is quite simple. What we do is we have to mobilize the facet joints. Again, we do that with our hands, therapists, mobilizing the spine, manipulating the spine. You've heard the term cracking of the neck, which is, if done by a professional, quite safe, but very effective in loosening up a stiff neck. Also, deep tissue massage, a trigger point massage can be done, dry needling or acupuncture. And then a very big thing, probably a very most important thing, is posture correction. Okay, is we have to reduce the pressure of those joints. And we do that by teaching people how to sit right and to walk right, and to keep the heads basically on top of their shoulders. And that's how we relieve stiff neck pain.